In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up your AT&T Wi-Fi Air using Internet Air and the All-Fi Hub. If this is your first time installing home internet, don't worry, I'll keep it simple and easy to follow. Before you even plug anything in, grab your phone. You'll need to download the AT&T Smart Home Manager app from your App Store. Once it's installed, open it and sign in with your AT&T user ID. The app will guide you through almost the entire setup process, so this step is important. Now let's set up the All-Fi Hub. Take the hub out of the box and choose the right location. Since this service uses a 5G wireless signal, placement matters a lot. The best spot is near a window, ideally on a higher shelf or upper floor. Keep it in an open area, not inside a cabinet, not behind furniture, and not surrounded by thick walls. The clearer the space, the stronger the signal. Once you've chosen the location, plug the hub into a power outlet. The device will turn on and you'll see the light indicator start to glow. Next, go back to the Smart Home Manager app. Follow the on-screen instructions. At one point, it will ask you to scan a QR code. Flip the hub over and find the QR code on the base. Use your phone's camera inside the app to scan it. This connects the device to your account and starts activation. The app will then check your signal strength. Pay attention to the light on the hub. If it's green, that means you have a strong signal. If it's red or weak, try moving the hub closer to a window or slightly higher. Even small adjustments can improve performance. Once activation is complete, the app will display your Wi-Fi network name and password. Go to your phone, laptop, or other devices, open Wi-Fi settings, and connect using that information. That's it. Your internet should now be up and running. If you ever want to change your Wi-Fi password, see who's connected, or manage your network settings, you can do all of that inside the Smart Home Manager app. And if your connection feels slow, the first thing to try is adjusting the hub's position. And that's how to set up AT&T Wi-Fi Air. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.